Yes, it's the mighty Ford Ranger Raptor. There is an all-new model just around the corner, but since we haven't ever tested the outgoing model, we thought what better time than right now. Technically the model year 2021.75, this example is the range-topping Raptor X. It comes with special racing stripes over the body, paired with a range of matte black trimmings, such as the front grille, wheel arch flares, door handles, side mirrors, and front guard vents. It certainly looks mean and ready to rumble. In the back is a slip-resistant tub liner, power point, and extended sports bar. Due to the heavy-duty, motorsport-inspired suspension, the payload and braked towing capacities are reduced over the regular Ranger models. So now you can only tow 2.5 tons. Stick your head under the vehicle and you'll see why. There's a proper coil-over suspension package by Fox Racing under here. The Watts linkage rear end and independent front have been specifically designed to withstand rough terrain at speed. There's even a Baja driving mode, inspired by the arduous Baja Desert Rally. It slackens off the traction control so you can enjoy some sideways action. But that's if you can unstick the massive BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres. These measure 285 by 70 front and rear, and are made with extremely strong sidewalls so you can smash over pretty much anything. If you do snag a piece of terrain, heavy-duty protection plates underneath keep the important bits safe. Although the ground clearance is a whopping 283mm, and it can wade through water up to 850mm deep. Inside, the Raptor is presented with sporty bucket seats in the front, with red stitching in various areas replacing the original blue. It's a comfortable place to be in here, with a surprisingly natural and low-set driving position. There's also plenty of room to move about, and spots to chuck your things into, while up on the dash showcases a decent 8-inch touchscreen. Rear seat comfort is also really good, with enough head and legroom to keep 4 adults happy, or 5 with some compromise. Unfortunately, there are no climate vents in the back, but there are a couple of charging ports, including a proper AC 230-volt household socket. On the road, the Ranger is one of the better handling dual cab utes on the market in our opinion. It remains surprisingly flat and confident even when pushed hard around twisty roads. The main limitation is of course those big balloony tyres. The steering also feels quite nice for what it is, providing decent feedback and a lightweight feel. Going for the Raptor means the front and rear tracks are wider, which obviously means it is a bit trickier to park. But theoretically, a wider track often results in superior handling. Of course, its natural habitat is off the road. Here you'll experience utterly relentless progress, regardless of the terrain. It feels unstoppable, whether you're tackling chunky rocks and ruts, sand, or filthy deep mud. It just keeps pushing through. That hardcore suspension has been tuned to offer excellent ride comfort as well. Even on the dirt, there are no vibrations or juddering to be felt inside. It soaks up bumps like a pro. The large tyre sidewalls play a part here, but most of the credit needs to be sent to Fox Racing. It's a very high quality setup, and in that sense, despite its racing pedigree, the Raptor is perhaps the most suitable option for those looking for an outright lifestyle vehicle as opposed to a heavy-duty workhorse. As for the engine, Ford says it tested this 2-litre unit extensively in very harsh conditions, so it can live up to Raptor standards. However, we can't help but think how nice it would be to have some more serious power here. Bring on the next-gen model. In the meantime, this is what it goes like.